Welcome to Winner's Bench. The Best Abnormal Psychology is probably one of the most comprehensive textbooks available for understanding the complexities of mental disorders. This 10th edition delves deep into the causes, symptoms, and treatments of various psychological conditions, offering a balanced perspective that combines scientific research with real-world examples. It's an essential resource for students and anyone interested in gaining a solid foundation in the field of abnormal psychology. Number 5. Home Smile, I Love You Jewelry Tray. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This jewelry tray is perfect for your wife, girlfriend, or mom. It's a great choice for birthdays, Mother's Day, or Christmas. This tray is crafted from high-quality glazed ceramic. It's carefully packaged with styrofoam and a gift box, ready for giving. Place it in the bathroom or kitchen. It's a convenient spot to keep your jewelry safe while you wash your hands or do dishes. Leave it by the sink or nightstand. It's the perfect place to store rings, earrings, and necklaces, so you'll never lose them. This tray is a sentimental and unique gift. It's a cool gift for anyone who appreciates a special touch. It measures approximately 3.9 L times 3.9 W times 0.6 H. What we like? This ring dish is crafted from high-quality glazed ceramic. It's perfect for keeping your jewelry safe and organized. If you are looking for a thoughtful and practical gift, this is a great choice. What people say. The ceramic feels sturdy and well-made, and the glaze gives it a smooth, polished finish. The design is simple but elegant, and it adds a nice decorative touch without taking up much space. Just as described, pleased with quality, a delicate little trinket dish. Number 4. Mario Party Superstars, US version. Get ready to revisit the good old days. This game features 5 classic boards from the Nintendo 64 Mario Party games. It's a blast from the past, ready for you to enjoy. Challenge your friends and family in 100 minigames. They are selected from throughout the Mario Party series. It's a fun and competitive experience for everyone. Want to play with friends far away? No problem. All game modes can be played online. You can connect with anyone, anytime. Don't worry about losing your progress. Matches with friends in board game mode are saved after each turn. You can pick up where you left off, both locally and online. You have options for how to play. You can use a single Joy-Con controller, 2 Joy-Con with the Joy-Con grip accessory, Nintendo Switch Pro controller, or Nintendo Switch Lite system. Choose the way that's most comfortable for you. What we like? This game brings back the fun of classic Mario Party. You can enjoy 100 minigames with friends and family. If you like a fun party game with online play, you should consider this. What people say. The boards are classic, the minigames are addictive, and the nostalgia hits harder than a red shell. The graphics are crisp, the controls are smooth, and the variety keeps it fresh even after hours of play. The game consists of 5 boards from the first 3 games, as well as 100 minigames from all the games. Number 3. LEGO Ideas ISS 21321 Building Kit. This LEGO Ideas set lets you build a detailed model of the ISS. It features rotating joints and adjustable solar panels. You can discover authentic details as you build. The model includes a posable Canadarm2 and other realistic features. It also comes with astronaut microfigures and mini spacecrafts. This set is designed for display. The set includes a stand to showcase your ISS model. It also comes with a brick-built mini NASA space shuttle. This will rekindle nostalgic memories. Inside, you'll find a booklet with facts about the ISS. It also celebrates the LEGO Ideas theme's 10th anniversary. This set is a great way to learn and build. This is a great gift for space fans and experienced LEGO builders. It offers hours of creative fun, whether you build it alone or with friends. The finished model is over 7 inches high, 12 inches long, and 19 inches wide. What we like? This LEGO set lets you build a detailed International Space Station. It's a great display model with many authentic details. If you are a space enthusiast or an experienced LEGO builder, you will love it. What people say. It does have movable solar arrays and a semi-articulate Canadarm, along with a docking collar that can dock a couple of the micro-scale spacecraft that are included: SpaceX Dragon capsule, Boeing Starliner, NASA Space Shuttle. Every bit of decoration is printed on the pieces themselves, so no stickers are required. The final product is a perfect shelf filler decor for a room, and the solar panels being fully adjustable help it fit in wherever that may be. Number 2. LEGO Super Mario NES 71374 Building Set. This set lets you build a classic 1980s-style TV and the iconic NES console. It's a nostalgic trip for any Super Mario fan. You can recreate the classic game experience. The set recreates the NES console in LEGO style, including a controller and a game pack slot. It's packed with authentic details. This set will bring back memories. The TV has a handle-operated scrolling screen. When combined with the LEGO Mario figure, it reacts to on-screen elements. Place the figure on top and watch it come to life. To activate the interactive features, you'll need the LEGO Mario figure from the Adventure Starter course. It's the key to unlocking the full experience. Get ready for an interactive adventure. The buildable TV and NES model make a cool display item. It comes with an illustrated booklet and easy-to-follow instructions. It's a great collectible for any fan. What we like. This LEGO set lets you build an interactive NES console and TV. The TV has a scrolling screen that interacts with the LEGO Mario figure. If you are a fan of classic games, you should consider this. What people say. Every element of the process had some element of fun, and it took us a full day to complete it. This set makes you build every element, from the NES cartridge to the tiles of the moving screen, with a unique Mario Brothers piece, and the process is mostly easy. The instructions explain every piece of both parts of this set were built by LEGO engineers who read the actual blueprints to get the accuracy, and I don't doubt any bit of it at all. Number 1. Abnormal Psychology, 10th edition. This book delves into the fascinating world of abnormal psychology. It explores various psychological disorders and provides insights into their causes and treatments. The 10th edition offers a comprehensive overview of different mental health conditions. It covers everything from anxiety and depression to more complex disorders. This edition includes the latest research and developments in the field. It provides up-to-date information on diagnosis, treatment, and prevention. The book examines various perspectives on mental health, including biological, psychological, and sociocultural factors. It helps you understand the multifaceted nature of these conditions. With this book, you'll gain a deeper understanding of the human mind and the challenges faced by those with mental health conditions. It's an invaluable resource for students and anyone interested in psychology. What we like. This textbook provides a comprehensive overview of abnormal psychology. It includes updated research and expert insights. If you are studying psychology or are interested in mental health, it is a great choice. What people say. As far as the content itself, it does a great job at explaining abnormalities. Was assigned for a class, but was surprisingly informative. It gives you diagnosis and how to help. Symptoms. A great read. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.